You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly if you want to learn more confusing names that are confusing, including from famous places in the US and Massachusetts in particular. Stay tuned, it's pronounced indeed Salem. This is also a word from the Bible meaning peace or shalom. Salem is generally the English pronunciation. Hebrew pronunciation would be more as Salem, Salem or Shalom. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.